Okay, I'm trying to diagnose why I have a no crank, no start. I have lights flashing on my key. I'm trying to figure out what's going on if my key has lost the programming to the car. My battery had died in it, and now this is all I see. I put the key in, the car powers up. I go to crank it over, I have a no crank, no start. So this is what I'm gonna do. Turn the car off.
So now what's done?
I'm gonna pop this hood. This is a 2002 C240. The fuse box relay under the hood, I go to fuse number 52. Now fuse number 52 will commonly blow out when your battery dies or if your starter is going bad. I'm gonna swap this out, see if it was blown. Yep, blown fuse. I'm gonna swap the factory 15 amp out for a 20 amp. Let's see if she goes. Hey, look at that. They say 99% of all your no start, no crank issues on this car is gonna come from that number 52 fuse. All right, y'all, thanks for watching.